Alright, today we're going to tell you how to control the Dynalink Android TV box with the Harmony TV remote. And a lot of people have been asking about this, but you can't go wrong with purchasing this Android TV box. Nice small box, fits probably in the palm of your hand. $29.99, best deal out there right now. So the first thing we're going to do is you want to make sure that your Harmony remote or your Harmony application that you put on your phone or your computer is set up to play for the Nexus TV player. That's what you have to set it up as. Alright? Then after you set it up as a Nexus player, you're going to go up here to settings. You're going to go down to remotes and accessories. It's already connected. The Dynalink controller is already already connected. You're going to add an accessory. At that point, you're going to go back to your Harmony application. You're going to fire up for the Nexus player. It's going to prompt you. It says, I don't know if you can see this very good or not, but it says Bluetooth pairing. It's going to take a little bit here for it to connect up. I don't know why it takes so long, but apparently is doing a lot of thinking at this point. Still says connecting on it, if you can still see that. And still searching for accessories. It'll pop in here in just a moment. Take my word for it. We're going to still need the Dynalink controller here when it does pop up. So here it is. It's already said it's asking you to do some funky stuff with the Nexus player, but since you don't have a Nexus player, you can't do that. You just sit here and wait. There we are. Harmony Nexus Player Controller. We're going to click on that. It says pairing. Couldn't pair. We're going to hit it again. It says pairing. Sometimes it does that. Now we're going to say it's already connected. Connecting request. We're going to hit the pair. Now it's connecting and now it's paired. So now you don't need this controller anymore. You can use this, the Harmony controller. As you can see, we don't need the application anymore on the phone. You can set up your Harmony remote for all these buttons. You can do that either on the phone app or on the computer. I find that it's easier to do on the computer than it is on the phone app. But you have to do this section of the connection on the phone app. Okay? Hit back, back, back. Now we're down to all the applications, and it does work just fine. So there you go. Easy as pie. That'll take you all the way. All right, thanks a lot for watching.